Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got stage 51 of Hero Collector and Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so we've had our next delivery through. I've got issue 15 through. Issue 16 should be through in the next week or so as well. So let's have a flick through and show you what we're going to be doing in stage 51. All them little parts and pipes and tubes, we'll be putting them on today. Put them to the side, show you what we're going to be doing. So this is stage 51 here. Look at stage 52. Big bit to go on, but yeah, we're doing stage 51 today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the rear workstation that we built a couple of issues ago. And this one we're going to be building the Sono channel ASA-20 and switch panel. So that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be hitting that on there, putting some cables on, and that's going to be a lot more detailed than it was when we left it last time. And then a sneak peek at what's coming up next time. Yeah, we're extending the cargo bay area. Okay, so we are going to be doing stages 51 and 52 today. Stage 52 will be out later this afternoon, so make sure you join me for that one as well. But for now, let's get stage 51 out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so starting off, we're going to make the Sono channel ASA-20. I'm going to be doing that by placing these two parts here. We do have a location pin on here, so that's going to help us line this up. So let's get this on here, this way around. Just like that. Now we can see our two screw holes just in the middle there. We're going to be putting BP screws in here. We only get BP screws with this issue, so we can't really go wrong. Let's get our first one in, start securing this down. There we are. That's the first one in. Second one is just going in the opposite hole on the opposite side. Just like so. So there we go. That is the Sono channel ASA-20 all built, and we can stick this on our workstation now. So we need to bring in our rear workstation and we need to attach this on. So this is going just right over here. We do have our two lug points and our pin. So this is going to go with the hole that we've got on there facing in towards the actual chair here. So just like that, we can put a BP screw in either one of these two holes. So I'm just going to turn this chair up. It's going to help this stand. So let's get this attached onto here as well. First screw in. Second one just at the back. You can probably just about make that out. Just in there, there's a little tiny hole. That's where we're going with this one. There we are. That is that on there. Okay, now we need to bring in this part here. This is a big silver part. It's got loads of looks like heat exchangers or something like that. I don't know what it is, but what does it say it is in here? Switch panel apparently. So this on here. So this is just going to sit on top of here. So yeah, there is a location peg to help it. Just there. And I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 BP screws in. So I'm going to start off in the middle and work my way around. We're in this one too. Couple more to go. To go at the top and the bottom over here. So one in this corner and one right in this corner here. There we are. That's that on top of there. So the final thing to do is start attaching some cables onto here. Right, so we're going to start attaching these cables. We're going to start off with the smallest ones first. We're going to use both of them These are like a little rubbery sort of material. They do have sort of a texture to them, a rigid texture. So we're going to start by plugging these in. So the first one is going just up here. Let's plug that one in. Plug the second one in. And I guess this one's going to go into this one. So I'm going to push that one through. Into there. You can see they don't really sit very well on here at the minute, not like they are in the picture. This one is going right away to the top. On the top left, just there. These are supposed to sit around like that, sort of, so we're going to train these down in a bit. So next we're going to take the two medium-sized ones. They're going to get plugged into the middle just here. So let's plug them in. Push that one in. This one's going to go. I'm going to plug this one into the bottom one down here. Doesn't ask you to glue these in. And this one here is going to go in the bottom one here. And then it's going to go round here next to that one. So there we are. We've got all them in so far. Looks a bit of a mess at the minute, but we are going to tidy that up in a minute. Now we're going to need the two of the longer ones. So these are getting plugged into. We turn this round so the chair is facing us. We've got two more holes just here. So let's plug one end of that into there. These don't want to stay in very well, but I'm sure you could glue them from the other side if you wanted to. So that's them two on there, and they're going to go over the top, just like that. Now the last thing to do, it wants us to do, is cable tie these together. So the first cable tie we're going to put is just here. So let's get the first one in. This is going over that way. I put it right there where this is. Just there. Second one, I'm going to put about here. Now they're supposed to sit just down there like that. And these two cables are going to dangle down just down there for now. But yeah, we need to trim these two bits of cable tie. Not going right the way to the edge, just a little bit out. There we are. You can, if you want to, just stick a bit of glue on there. That'll hold all that down for you. I'm just going to leave mine for the minute. So that is all there is to do in this issue. So I'm going to put this to the side, show you what's coming up next time. So next time, we are doing the cargo area. We're extending the cargo area. Yeah, exciting one, that one. So there you go, guys. That is stage 51 all done. I have to say, doing them little rubber cables was quite fiddly. They kept popping out on me all the time, so I may put a little splodge of glue just on the underside just to hold them in. So remember, coming up this afternoon, we are going to have stage 52. Make sure you join me then. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care.